guys, welcome to Maths Chat. I'm going to be showing you how to use the difference of two squares rule. Now this works similar to the perfect square rule in that it's a formula that we can use to make expanding and simplifying easier for us. Okay, so looking at my first example, you'll notice that my first two terms in each of my brackets are the same, and that is 3y. Also, my second value in both of my brackets is the same value. So I've got 3y and 2. In this instance, to expand and simplify, we can use what's called the difference of two squares rule. So, difference of two squares. This is also known as dots, D-O-T-S. In this instance, when I've got a value that is the same at the start of each bracket and the end of each bracket with different operations, one being plus, one being minus, I can expand it like so. I'm going to show you why this is equal to that. Thinking about the distributive law, which is where we multiply each one, first, outside, inside, last, I'll end up with a squared, first, outside, inside. Then at this point, because these are the exact same value, I've got negative AB plus A and B, that will just cancel out. So I'm left with A squared minus B squared. So that is why always, in this case, when expanded, it will equal A squared minus B squared. So whatever value is there, is squared, and whatever value is there is squared, and there's a negative in between them. So that's why it's called the difference of two squares, because when we talk about the difference of two numbers, one is subtracted from the other. So I'm going to use this rule to expand this. Remember we said the first value is squared, so 3y squared, then there's a subtraction between them, and the second value is squared. Now I just simplify that further, which gives me 9y squared minus 4. And that is the answer. So as you can see, it's super easy to use the difference of two squares rule. Let's work on this one. Second example. This one is different because it's got a value out the front of our brackets. Now just like we've seen in previous videos, when we're expanding and there's something at the front, we leave it till the end to apply it. So I'm going to first worry about what's in here. And as you can see again, these two are the same, got x and x, and then I've got a minus and a plus 1, which means I can use the difference of two squares rule. 2 out the front, then whatever a is squared, so it's x squared minus 1 squared, which is 2x squared minus 1. And then the final step is to just expand that 2. So 2x squared minus 2. And that's your answer. Alright, so that was the difference of two squares rule. Make sure that you hit like and also subscribe to the channel so that you can get any updates on tutorials that I upload. Please leave your comments in the comment section below and also any questions that you might have. I'll see you next time. Bye!